Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use magic mail in Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest event. So if you are playing in this Fall Harvest event in Grow a Garden 2, there is one new gear that you definitely need to know about: the magic mail. So magic mail will let you send one of your Fall Harvest item back to your Garden Valley mailbox. So this is actually really important because this fall harvest map is not a permanent map like this. You can see it. So so when the event ends, the item from this event, from this fall harvest world, including pets, seeds, gear, and props, may disappear with the event map. So if you have an important item that you want to keep, you should send it back to your main garden folly, the default map in this Grow a Garden 2. And to get this magic mail, just simply go to the gear shops, this one, and then just look for it when it's in stock like this. And this magic mails also has different rarities. There are rare and then legendary, this one, and then super magic mail, this one. And this rarity determines the maximum item rarity that you can send. Like for example, for the rare magic mail, this one can only send items up to rarity. So if you want to send a mythic item, you will need at least legendary magic mail, this one. And just remember, one magic mail can only send one item. So you will need multiple mails if you have several items that you want to send. So just buy them whenever they restock in these gear shops. And here are the price for its magic mail rarity. Like this, you can see it. And okay, that's it. The everything that you need to know about these magic mails. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.